Magandang araw po mga kapuntos, at sa araw na ito po meron po akong tampok na video para sa inyo at sana ay magustuhan ninyo. Kaya sa mga bago pa po sa aming channel, please po don't forget to hit the subscribe button at ang notification bell para maging notified kayo sa bawat video na ilalabas ko sa channel na ito. At bilang kahilingan po ng punto por punto team at naway maintindihan po ninyo, sana po wag nyo pong i-skip yung mga ads sa aming mga video. Sa maliit na bagay na po na yan, malaking tulong po yan sa ating programa at sa ating ministry. Sana po maunawaan po ninyo. Maraming salamat po, kaya wag na po natin patagalin. Simulan na po natin.
Hello mga kapatid, naputol tayo kanina. Pasensya na po dahil nawala yung signal nung naglanding na ang eroplano. Landing ba? Right time tayo, landing? Touchdown. No, landing or touchdown. So ngayon, nawala lang bila signal, no? Pero ngayon mga kapatid, ito yung isi-share ko sa inyo. Leadership and management, the two creations, di ba? Merong tinatawag na first creation and then second creation. But ito is two creations. First creation is mental creation, yung plano natin sa buong araw na ito. Pangalawa is the physical creation, actualization of your mental plan. Okay? Katulad ng building natin sa St. Michael, mental creation pa yon. Pero ngayon, it is a physical creation, malapit na matapos. Okay? So, itong i-discuss ko sa inyo mga kapatid, ito ang pinaka-importante. Very essential po ito sa grow sa atin personally. Habit 2, nandito pa tayo sa habit 2. Habit 1 is proactive. Pero nandito tayo sa habit 2. Begin with the end in the mind. Begin with the end in mind. Pinaka-essential po yan. So, dapat 5 years from now, 10 years from now, ano yung plano mo? Ako, may plano na ako. So, dapat let us begin our day with the end in the mind. Kung wala yan, other people will plan for you. No? So, kailangan may plano tayo sa buong linggo, buong araw, sa pagising natin. Yan ang pinaka-essential. Pero itong isi-share ko sa inyo, leadership and management. Okay? Ang ganda nito. Habit 2 is based on principles of personal leadership, which means that leadership is the first creation. Leadership is not management. Management is the second creation, which we'll discuss in the chapter on habit 3. But leadership has to come first. Kailangan ma-establish na natin yung skill natin. Una, yung leadership. Because leadership is the first creation, management is the second creation. Management is a bottom line focus. How can I best accomplish certain things? So, ito yung bottom line ng leadership. Ano yung bottom line sa leadership? How can I best accomplish certain things? How? So, management is how. Masagot natin yung how to accomplish our dream. How? So, management is to answer the how. So, nakafocus po ito sa bottom line na how I can accomplish certain things. Paano ko ma-accomplish? So, leadership, management is how. But leadership is, ito yung tanong sa leadership. Leadership deals with the top line. What are the things I want to accomplish? No? So, ang leadership, ito yung sasagutin natin, the what. What are the things I want to accomplish? Pero management is how to accomplish my my dreams. No? In other words, both Peter Drucker and Warren Bennis, management is doing things right. So ito yung distinction sa management and leadership. Management is doing things right. Na doing things right. Gagawin natin ang bagay na wasto. But leadership is doing the right things. Ang leadership is doing sa wastong bagay. Gagawin natin ang wasto, no? Na bagay. So, yan po ang kahulugan ng management and leadership. Example, management is doing things right. So, you manage, no? Yung ating sample, i-manage mo yung oras mo, time management, no? And then doing things right. So i-organize mo, meron kang sistema paano mo matapos yan, no? And then the leadership is doing right things. Ang leadership pala ay maggawa ng tamang mga bagay. So, siya yung mag-lead sa proper management. So, related sila pero hindi sila magkapareho. Management is efficiency in climbing the ladder of success. So, yung mag-determine sa efficiency sa ladder of success. Leadership determines whether the ladder is leaning against the right wall. So, yung leadership yung mag-decide, hindi na ito tama. Right things. Pero yung management is doing things right. So, orderly. Yung management. Pero yung leadership, mag-direct. No? Magbigay ng vision. Magbigay ng pananaw sa buhay. So, kung ma-establish natin ito sa ating sarili, wow! Dahil itong habit to is principles based on principles of personal leadership. Yung pagtubo natin, pag-develop natin personal leadership sa ating sarili. Kung hindi tayo madisiplina sa sarili natin, how we can discipline others if we never practice leadership personally sa sarili natin. We are more in need of vision or destination or a compass, a set of principles or directions, and less in need of a road map. We often don't know what the terrain ahead will be like or what we will need to go through it. Much will depend on our judgment at the time, but an inner compass will always give us direction. So ito yung leadership, mga kapatid. He will set a vision, he will set a destination, he will set a compass, a set of principles or directions towards realizing our goal. Effectiveness, often even survival, does not depend solely how much effort we expend, but on whether or not the effort we expend is the right jungle. The metamorphosis taking place is amongst every industry and profession demands leadership first and management second. So, hindi yan sa pugihan, no? Kaya kung kapugi, why right direction, you cannot be, you cannot actualize your first creation. So, magkadugtong talaga itong leadership, doing the right things, and management, doing things right. Kung ma-combine natin itong ganda. So, doing the things right, management, leadership is doing the right things. Ang ganda, no? Yan po ang summary sa isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Very essential po ito. Kung hindi natin ito ma-distinguish, lalo na kahit sa ministry natin, kailangan natin ma-develop yung leadership skills and management skill. Dahil complementary po ito. So, itong habit to begin with the end in mind, very essential po ito. Kung hindi natin ito maintindihan, mga kapatid, so, hindi maging tagumpay yung ating mga vision kung walang management. At kung meron mang management pero walang leadership. So, leadership is the first creation, and then the management is the second creation. No? So, ang gandang aklat niya ito, mga kapatid. Very inspiring, very enlightening para sa ating lahat. At yan lang sa muna, ha, dahil malapit na boarding na kami bound to Philippines, no? Papat maabot sa Pilipinas, marong alas 10, maabot na ta alas 10 sa buntag. Salamat ako sa mga star senders natin ngayon. Si Malu Langayin Tapungot, 100 stars. Si Nanay Gina Guevara, hi Father, have a great day. What time ngayon diha sa Taiwan? Pariharatag time sa Pilipinas, 7:23 sa buntag. Si Malak Canel, kumusta bro? So nakakita na tayo personal sa San Diego. Okay, salamat po at Fighty Maria, Tatak FD with a humble heart po. Magla-live po tayo mamaya, okay? Makasignal tayo. Marami akong nabasa pero hindi ako nakapag-live dahil sa pagod po sa travel natin. Okay, God bless.